Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Thursday, the 9th of April. Here's your weather wisdom for today. Was sponsored by Volante Farms in Needham for all your garden needs, and they're getting deliveries in. So get some pansies, some of the cold weather crops, anything like that. We've got sunshine today. It's a little breezy. The fire danger is elevated. Yeah, dry again. I hope we're not going to have another dry spring. It's just so difficult to manage getting the gardens going if we just don't have rain. Here we go again. Into the 50s. Tonight, clear down into the 30s. Tomorrow, sunshine, temperatures in the 60s. Saturday, sunshine, near 60. Same thing on Sunday. Next week, a warm front's going to go by. We'll have clouds on Monday as that warm front pushes through, a little breezy on that day, up near 70. And it's really warm Monday night. Windows open, 60 for lows. And we're going to be in the 80s here on Tuesday. A touch of warmth. I'm sure my other half's going to be complaining because they probably don't have the air conditioning on at work. So it's going to be hot. Partly sunny. Again, 80 to 85. Then Wednesday, partly sunny. Temperature up near 80. Have a great day, everybody.